In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily find the dividend information of some particular stock. Suppose I want to get some dividend using Microsoft stock. So let's see how we can find the details like ex-dividend date for Microsoft. So I'm going to logging my Schwab account first, and after logging, whatever the page you are there doesn't matter, you'll find a search icon is there. Just click here and then a search box will be appeared. Here you need to type the stock name. For example, I'm going to type the stock name for Microsoft is MSFT, and then you will find Microsoft Corporation is there. We just need to click here and Microsoft stock details will be appeared shortly. And this is the stock chart basically for Microsoft, and here we are seeing those information. To find out the dividend details like ex-dividend date, we just need to scroll down more, and here you will find dividend section, and there is a small nice graph which shows the last 3 quarter or 4 quarter 1 2 3 4 quarter dividend details and how much they are going to pay. So these 3 they paid already, and this will coming basically Q2 50 83 something like that. Anyway, so let's see how we can find out the details of this dividend. So here we see that next dividend payout payment is 83 cents, okay, per stock, and next pay date is September 11 2025. Next dividend date August 2025, and frequency quarterly. So this is the most important thing to get the dividend. So next ex-dividend which is August 21 2025, so like that way. So in this way you can easily find the ex-dividend date for any stock if that stock has dividend from this type of page basically in your Schwab account. You just need to click search, you need to scroll down, and then you'll find the dividend details with the next ex-dividend date. So this is the most important thing to get some money from dividend. And that's it. In this way you can easily find out the dividend details or dividend date using your Schwab account.